Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD, work from home job, PGT, TGT as well as the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification. So it is based upon academic pay level 10 guys. That is your pay will be 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And even though it is a state university, you may apply from all over the India. From any state you can apply for these positions guys. So share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, then subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. To the present content of the video, so it is Kumon University. It is one of the state university guys, and from this one here we got the recruitment notification regarding the assistant professor, associate as well as the professor and assistant librarian and the deputy librarian. Okay, so I will show you in this video regarding the assistant professor as well as librarian departmental vacancies guys, and the subjects, whatever the different subjects are there regarding the associate and the professor, both these two also I will show. Okay, so first we will see the what we call department wise vacancies in the case of assistant professor in this university. So here you may check down what are the different subjects are there. So economics, English, geography, Hindi, history, music, political science, sociology, commerce, botany, chemistry, geology, mathematics, physics, statistics, zoology, forestry and the management studies. So total 22 number of vacancies are there guys. And while coming to the eligibility requirements as per the UGC and the AICTE and the PCA regulations guys. So as per the UGC regulations, PG in the particular department with 55% of marks and the UGC NET or the CSI or NET or the SLET or SET qualification must be there. And while coming to the as per the AICTE regulations, whatever the engineering departments are there, only post graduation is enough. Okay. So anyhow, we will check down the advertisement. And then we will go into the subjects of the associate as well as the professor vacancies. Okay, so online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the post of assistant professor in the academic pay level 10, that is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month as per the 7th Central Pay Commission pay matrix. And all the regulations, okay, as per the UGC norms guys, the candidates are required to fill up the online application form and also submit the printout of the application form along with the required or the relevant documents to support their eligibility. The same should reach in the office of the Registrar, Kumon University, Nainital, Sleepy Hollow, Malital, and here the pin code is also given, by 5th Jan 2022 evening 4 o'clock. Okay, and the submission of only offline forms also will be rejected. That means you need to submit the online application, you need to submit the hard copy also. So please write the name of the post applied for and the name of the subject on the outside of the envelope while sending the printout of the online application form. Okay, and the details regarding the qualifications, experience, screening guidelines, each and everything you will get in the official website along with the advertisement itself. So coming to the important dates here, the date of uploading of advertisement and online registration started on 24th November, closes on 23rd December, and the printout of online application submission with the documents 5th Jan 2022. Okay, so these are the important dates guys. And coming to the what we call advertisement for the assistant librarian as well as librarian, so I may check down, it is also the pay level 10 guys, and the same things are mentioned here and the important dates also very same. And coming to the eligibility requirements, they just mention that as per the UGC regulations and all these things. That means whatever the eligibility criteria are there for the as per the UGC regulations for the assistant professor, the same eligibility criteria also will be maintained for this librarian. But you please check down by yourself the eligibility criteria for the assistant as well as the deputy librarian. Okay, and coming to the associate professor, what are the different subjects are there? So we will see economics, English, geography, Sanskrit, commerce, botany, geology, statistics, zoology, forestry, computer science, management study, pharmaceutical science, biotechnology. So these are for the associate professor. And while coming to the professor category, the subjects are economics, Hindi, Sanskrit, sociology, geology, physics, pharmaceutical sciences, and the biotechnology. And all of you know that for the professor and associate professor, definitely the PhD is mandatory, and along with some experiences and the research publications, all these things are required. Okay. But anyhow, the candidates who belongs to the assistant professor category, whatever the subjects I shown here, okay, so all the subjects, total 22 vacancies are there. So please don't miss this opportunity, guys. These are the permanent assistant professor vacancies from the state university or the government university. So whenever such type of opportunities are coming, then immediately you need to utilize such type of opportunities, guys. In this pandemic situation, it is very, very important. Okay. So to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if your subjects are not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got any matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video also, you need to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you and all the best, guys. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UG Senate as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UG Senate exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UG Senate is conducting the exam. For the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine, and the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2, and the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UG Senate examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UG Senate examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here's a lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want